everyone! Welcome to this advanced Git tutorial, where we'll dive into 3 important Git strategies: merge, rebase, and squash. By the end of this video, you'll understand when and how to use each technique effectively. Let's get started! Before starting, I would advise you to check out the videos on Git by ByteByteGo and Git in Telugu. Here are the links to these videos. First, create a repository in GitHub. I named it Git Tutorial. Next, create a main branch. I am using GitHub Codespace to create main branch, but you can use Git Bash or any IDE you have. Add a file example1.txt with any content and commit it to main branch. Create a new branch from main called Feature1. We will now examine the tree structure of the branches we created using a third-party extension. If you notice the tree structure, there is a main branch and Feature1 branch. First, let's talk about merge. When you merge a branch into another, Git preserves the history of both branches. This means that all commits from the feature branch are brought into the main branch, along with a new merge commit. Let us see visually what this means. For this, let us make changes to example1.txt first in main branch, and then in feature1 branch, and commit them to their respective branches. Now create a PR to merge feature1 commits changes to main. At this point, there is a conflict in example1 as main branch and feature branch do not match. This is not relevant to merge, but for rebase. I want to show why rebase cannot be done, so keep this in mind for next rebase demo. Go ahead and merge the changes into main, and this is how the tree now looks. This keeps a full record of where the branch came from, which is great for tracking changes but can make the commit history a bit cluttered. Next, we have Rebase. Instead of merging, rebasing moves all commits from one branch on top of another. This keeps the commit history linear, making it easier to read. Make change 2 to example 1.txt in main. Add file example 2.txt in feature 1. Create pull request. There are no conflicts, so rebase feature 1 to main, and let's see the tree now. As you can see, the main branch only shows the commits, and not which branch made the commits and how they are merged. It is just one straight no-mess line. Rebasing is great for a cleaner history, but there's a catch. If there are conflicts, Git stops the rebase and asks you to resolve them manually. This makes rebase tricky in large teams. Finally, let's talk about squash. Sometimes, you want to combine multiple commits into one before merging. Squashing is useful when your branch has many small commits that aren't meaningful on their own. Make multiple commit in feature 1. Create PR and squash merge to main. Let's see the tree now. As you can see, the main branch does not show all the commits that were made in feature 1 branch, but just the comment and final commit from PR. So, quick recap. Merge keeps full branch history with a merge commit. Rebase creates a cleaner, linear history, but requires conflict resolution. Squash combines multiple commits into one for a simpler history. And that's it. Hopefully, you now have a solid understanding of when to use merge, rebase, and squash. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Happy coding!